Hi everyone, welcome to Wild Puzzle.
Can you fix this famous 67 matchstick puzzle? Almost 90% people fail to fix it. To fix this matchstick equation, you are allowed to move only 2 matchsticks, nothing more. Move only 2 matchsticks. Do not add or remove sticks. Hint: this puzzle is difficult because we focus only on numbers. The real trick is changing the symbols. Comment below if you solved it before the reveal. Subscribe for more brain-teasing puzzles.
First, take the vertical matchstick from the plus sign. Now place that matchstick between the 6 and 7. Now look again. The equation is correct. 6 over 7 equals 6 over 7. So this equation is mathematically true. Thanks for watching.